Yeah. So if you are make flower, supposed to understand this is your flower. Okay, this is flower. This flower, when you can see in front of you exactly eye level, then like this. This flower when it's move, see this is becoming oval. This shape is becoming oval. So this is the front. This is the front. So it is coming circle. Okay, but this is going little bit of 3/4 angle. This flower. Okay, this angle, little bit of 3/4 angle. So that's why you can make it an oval like this. Okay, this flower, this angle, little bit of this angle. So this flower, if I draw the, uh, for example, I just draw one flower like this. Okay, five. Okay. So the same flower, this flower are going like this. Okay, it is not straight visible like this. So it is coming back, coming like this. Okay. And one more flower overlapping this. This flower like this. This flower like this. So one flower are movement sometime front, sometime side, sometime more side like this, sometime more side like this, sometime this side, sometime this side. Okay. So when you movement this, actually we are same position, but flower are moving. Suppose this is I am same position, but flower is going different all 360 direction. So that's why we are not seeing every flower the same petals. So very simple example. So what I do after that, we are making this accordingly. This flower almost in front of my eyes, so it looks like a straight. That's why. So I can make it the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 petals. Approximately I divide it like this. Okay. All flowers I approximately divided squares in middle, because we need to the middle point of this. Okay, just square this point. I first understand where the point. Okay, now is that understand these things. This point also where it is in middle. So thing is that your if you see this flower, this petals more bigger and this petals more smaller, right? Okay, so how you are understanding this thing? So then your this, when you draw the oval, so your this point also not in middle, it's also a little bit of this side, because see, when the straight, that time only the circle made in your point, but when you are moving, your point is going very close to this area, right? This edge, very close to this edge. So here see this very close to this edge, and here very far, this distance, this point to this point, distance so long, but this point and end point is so small. So one line you can draw middle, one line, but this line you not draw middle. According to your drawing, I draw this line is like this. This line I draw like this. First I draw the wrong and now I show the right, then you can understand that. So same, this is also like this. If any flower in this side, then I can draw this point here. But all flower is this side only. All are this movement, this side movement. So that's why you can draw like this. Okay. So it's a middle. That's why I make a middle. This flower is a middle. Okay. That's why I draw the middle. This flower little tilt. So that's why I make it. So exactly middle don't draw. If you make the oval, if you any flower is an oval, then it should be, the point is not either this area, either this area. Not middle for sure. Only middle coming when is Yes, this thing very important to understand. Oval. Some flower you can draw that much oval also, because you are see only petal. Only petal dekha. You are this is a stem and the petal. You're not seeing this. So only the petal only that much also. You know, like see, if you see this one, okay, the same page you are see that much, but this page if I open it this side, it is completely big. The same things, the petals. When I consider inside, it look like this. Okay, I have no flower in my room. Maybe I can show you next time. So now what I do? So just after the our measurement is done, like a oval and circle, and my 90% work is done. Now what I do after that? Can't do that much. Direction. All flowers are different direction. Not a single flower is the same direction. Okay, make sure it is. They are not focused. Other things, only the flower petals. Some birds and the lips. This lips are so bigger. Like this. Okay, make it just sketchy.